everybody, AMJ here. Welcome back to Girl Tries to Explain Warhammer. Today we are going to be talking about the Underworlds, the new realm that has been released called Beastgrave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a little bit of a backstory on what exactly Beastgrave is. So let's do this. This is going to start with the realm called Gur, and inside Gur is the mountain. This huge mountain. I'm talking a ginormous mountain, one that reaches all the way up to the skies, and the clouds like surround it, because I swear to you it just goes on forever. It is huge. Now, the locals that live in Gur, I can't help it, Gur, it's so funny, but it's appropriate for Beastgrave, don't you think, to have a planet called Gur? Okay, so anyways, it's not planet, it's realm. I'm aware, but I keep saying planet, I have no idea why. Okay, so realm. Inside the realm of Gur is the mountain, and the mountain was dubbed the name Beastgrave. And the reason it is called Beastgrave is because there is a ton of folklore and stories that have been passed down from all of the nomads and the locals that live in this realm. And the reason for that being is because this mountain has a reputation for luring its prey and its victims inside. And here's the catcher. The reason why it has become such a bad place and has such a bad rep is because once you go in, you never get out. That always seems to be the theme for this game. You're just trapped in this hellish dimension, and this one really takes the cake, let me tell you, because inside Beastgrave, it has its very own ecosystem. And I'm talking where everything eats everything, and there are traps everywhere, at every nook and cranny and every single corner inside this mountain. If you are not careful, you will be ensnared. Now, 9 out of 10 of these explorers / victims that go inside, they don't get out. And the ones that do get out to tell the story, they kind of wish that they would have died instead, because they are broken. Their mind is completely gone from everything that they had to endure, from everything that they had seen. It plagues them. It destroys them, basically, and they're never the same again. So, what brings me to my next point is Beastgrave was bad enough as it is. Well, since the necroquake caused by Nagash, he tore a hole, a rift in all of the different realms. And while he did that, he caused something to break, like creating a doorway from the mirrored city into Beastgrave, causing the curse that Nagash had released to bleed into Beastgrave. Now, like I said, it's already pretty hellish. If you get killed inside there, you just wake up the next morning and you're like, oh, and you have to live it all over again. You have to try and survive, but you end up dying anyways, and it just creates this hellish cycle over and over and over. So in come our heroes, yay! The Kurnathi, who I swear to you are Sylvanats in race. But when I tried to research this to prove my theory, apparently the only thing that you will hear is the spear of Kurnath as it impales you and kills you before you will ever get an answer or a chance to ask. So, okay, and that's literally the answer that I got when I tried to research if my hunch was right. That's the answer they gave me. So I guess I will never know, but it makes sense because they all worship Alariel. So, I mean, that would kind of make sense, but I did do a little research on her as well to try and see if I can find out if my hunch was correct, and she does have a reputation from going from realm to realm and creating her own likeness, life, so because their main purpose is to spread life, but also they are warriors, they are fighters, and they like to fight corruption and the things that come into the realms that try to destroy it. In comes the Beastgrave. What better purpose to have than to come along and help fight to keep back the curse bleeding even further into the realm of Gur? That's what they do. The main boss guy of our hero band is called Skaith, who is also a part of a group that are worshippers of Kurnath. These words, I tell you, these names really do get me tongue-tied, but I'm trying, okay people, I'm trying. Skaith is a centaur, and the others are fawns. I like to call them fawns because they look like little fawns to me, and they have a little pet friend who is called, unironically, lion, or lying, lion, lying. I don't know. These words, you guys, I am trying with these names. I swear to you, I just call him the little lion. And he actually has a little saddle on him, which is really funny because he's actually kind of small and I don't know who's going to be riding on his back. But that's okay. They have a fierce little companion that can come and tear you up. So that's pretty cool. Okay everybody, so that is it for this video. I'm going to split this up in two parts where I can actually talk about the Grashrax, the despoilers. That will be in the next video. I would also like to take a quick moment and say thank you so much for all of your guys' comments and all of your suggestions. I want you to know that I heard them and I have actually implemented most of them within my means. So until the next video, thank you guys so much for joining me, and go ahead and drop a like on this video if you liked it. Comment down below. If anybody can tell me if they are Sylvaneths, I would greatly appreciate it, since like I said, I couldn't find anything on it. But until then, I will catch you guys next time. Bye!